This is a 2012 BMW 3 Series. This car has an automatic transmission and a 6-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, a moonroof, a turbocharger, a sports suspension, adaptive brake lights, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Dakota leather upholstery, alloy wheels, shadow line trim, BMW individual composition, a passenger side airbag, a service level indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.